Hello guys, so this is the second part of our properties of exponent video. So kung gusto niyo makita yung first part, ay lalagay ko po yung link sa description box or yung link sa comment section. So the first for this part 2 is ito, si quantity A over M raised to M. So kung makikita niyo po na you have A and B, magkaibang siya, base. Tapos, ni-raise po siya sa M. So, ang gagawin nyo lang ay i-distribute nyo lang po yung exponent. So, basically, magiging ganito. A raised to M over B raised to M. So, to give you an example, magiging ganito. For example, we have 2 over X. Okay? Tapos, quantity raised to 4. So, itong 4, we will distribute that both to 2 and to x. So, magiging 2 raised to 4, tsaka x raised to 4 yan. So, bali magiging 16 over x raised to 4. Next naman ay ito, si a raised to m over n. Okay? Bale, yung exponent mo ay division siya, no? It's m divided by m. So, you can actually write this one as nth root of a raised to m. So, for example, we have 4x. There, 4x. Tapos, yung dalawa is raised to a fraction. Okay? Fraction yung ating exponent. 5 over 3. So, you can rewrite that one as itong denominator mo, si n, magiging, ayan siya, ilalagay mo yan siya sa root. So, that will become 3. Okay, so, that will become cube root of 4x. Take note, dapat, naka-parenthesis pa rin po yung dalawa. 4x raised to 5. So, you can rewrite it that way. Next ay ito, kung naman, yung a mo is raised to a negative exponent. So, pag negative exponent, you can rewrite that one as 1 over a raised to m. So, yung function mo ay mapupunta sa denominator. Let's say, for example, merong x raised to negative 5. So, negative yung exponent. So, you can rewrite that one at 1 over x raised to 5. So, ganun lang po siya. Napaka-easy lang po talaga ng properties of exponent. Next is, or last one is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, anything po that is raised to 0, automatic po yan equal to 1. Basta po ang a is not 0. So, for example, 1 billion raised to 0, that is still equal to 1. Or like this, a function like x raised to 5 plus 2. Okay? And both of them is raised to 1, that is equal to, both of them is raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So, anything po that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, see, napakadali lang po ng properties of exponent. So, I hope meron po kayong natutunan sa video na to. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share our videos.